What's up, guys? Another beautiful day, Folsom, California. Decided to hit Folsom Lake again, even though they closed my favorite ramp. Went and tried Granite Bay out. A lot of people there, but a lot of ramps, so no line. It's wide enough you can get a lot of boats in the water at once. So did a couple things to the boat last night. As you can see, I am anchored off the shore. The shore is behind me. I initially beached to let the dog and the family off. So that's my wife and my mother-in-law under the shade cover there, and also my father-in-law. Looks like he just laid down. He was out exploring a little bit. The water levels come down a lot. Last time we came to this beach, we were walking on those rocks, and those rocks were the only thing above the water, the very top of the rocks. And so you can see the levels really coming down. And threw an anchor off, got it set nice, and decided to protect the new prop. I just installed a brand new prop last night. I did ding up my original one on a very small rock, but doesn't matter with aluminum, doesn't take much, and it dinged it up enough that I had a little bit of a vibration going on. And you can see Cooper on the boat there hanging out. So I got the exact same prop that I had on it. It was working good, and then I did have to straighten out this thing. Not sure what it's called, but it was kicked a little to the side, not damaged at all, just wasn't straight. So got the angle right on that. So yeah, new prop is on. Barbecue I did a couple weekends back. I showed you guys that Kuma 160 on the pedestal. It's been working out really well. It's got a real big drip tray. Haven't had any problems with drips getting onto the deck, even though we have the bass buggy with the vinyl floor. And then what I do back here, what's up, Coop? What's up, buddy? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? That's Cooper, the lake dog. So what I do back here is I took the rear casting chair out, and I keep one big cooler full of drinks, and there's a 20-pound bag of ice in there. And then we got one cooler just for food. And so that works out great back here, a little cooking station and cooler and storage station. And then moving forward, this is the new addition I did last night, the Magma Table. And kind of the unique thing on this is I made it quick release, but I didn't use the super expensive Magma mounts. I got some much cheaper and still very sturdy Scotty mounts, plastic ones. So these are basically like universal mounts you can use for fish finders and stuff. They have a whole bunch of holes drilled on the bottom of them. 4 of them were almost a perfect match. I just had to drill them out a little bigger to line up with the pre-drilled holes on the bottom of the Magma Table. And we never used this side gate, so I decided just to mount it there. And the cool thing there is if I kick this gate open, I can actually, you know, control the angle of the table and stuff. But probably most of the time I'll just leave it closed like this. And so anyways, when we're done using the table, and like when I towed the boat here, this just, you literally just push up on it, because the table's pretty heavy, and these are kind of snug fittings. There's like a rod that goes down in here, and you just pull the table right up. It takes a little bit of force, so it's not going to fly out on its own, but you just pull the table right up, and we just throw it in the car, and then we connect it when we get in the water. I love how it has these raised edges on the side and the back, and then it's got drains, so if I ever do manage to catch a fish and I fillet it, you can just hose it off. I have a washdown pump, and there's actually a hose in that live well under that seat over there, so that'll work out real good as far as spraying this off. So yeah, finally got my 2021 stickers. I've had this boat over 2 months now, but the title got lost in the mail, had to do a duplicate title. You know, DMV's a mess right now, and USPS is a mess right now. They're the one that lost the title. So I had to file for transfer with duplicate title, and now I do have registration in my name for the boat and for the trailer, and the titles are in the mail from DMV. And I did all that through AAA, which was awesome because there's no wait there, and they were able to do all of that without going and messing with the whole DMV scene, which I know a lot of you guys are not from California. DMV in California is a disaster. We avoid it at all costs. So loving this boat, guys. Loving being in this Sun Tracker pontoon group with all of you. You guys have helped me out a lot. You helped me make the decision on which boat I was going to get. And I love running stuff by you, and I also love sharing some of my ideas and modifications with you guys. I come from the Jeep world, where I customize Jeeps for rock crawling, like Rubicon Trail and stuff. I live right by the Rubicon Trail, so you know, always modifying things. I don't think I've ever had a vehicle that wasn't modified, even the daily drivers. So boat's no different. My first boat, definitely doing some modifications. And like I said, I love sharing those ideas with you guys. I love getting ideas from you guys, so I really appreciate all of you. So anyways, that's it for now. Gonna go enjoy the family and just relax out here at Folsom Lake. Hope you guys are all having a good one. Cheers.